Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add tags on pins in Pinterest. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details and sign in into your Pinterest account. Now on your screen, you can see options like Home, Search, Create, Inbox and Saved. You have to tap on Create, then select Pin. Now all you have to do is select pins that you want to upload and tap on Next. Once you do that, you can see you can edit its size, media, text, add music, draw on it, add stickers or add audio. It's upon you. Then tap on Next. There you can see you can add title, description and link there. You can also select a board. Then another option is the tag related topics. Go to tag related topics and search for tags. For example, I'm going to type in anime, then they're going to suggest you a few tags. Select those, type in another keyword and tap on search, then select the tags. You can select multiple tags, then tap on done and select created. That's how you add tags on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.